this worksheet. Yes. So today first we will just go through it once, okay? Go through the first page. Go through the first page, types of communication. Types of communication, because we are working on the topic communication. And it is a very broad topic, okay? We have so many things in communication. So we will take one by one, we will take all the aspects, and whatever we can squeeze in this year, we will do that. Okay, but I'm sure it is going to be greatly helpful to all of you. And it will definitely give a boost to your communication skills. So everyone go through the space, start reading. Start reading. Okay? Start reading. And all the words you think you haven't understood, you can underline them. Okay? Types of communication. All the words, if you think you don't understand, then you can this is our topic for today. Communication, which is a very broad topic. We can't just pinpoint at one thing. It involves a lot of things. Okay. It is okay. Can you tell me which is the most common way of communicating? Karl Marx, middle row, first bench, the girl on the left. Can you come and tell me one way of communication? Please come. You don't have to look here. You don't even have to look. I'm not looking for an answer from the sheet. No, I'm not looking for an answer from the sheet. I just want you to tell me which is the most common way of communication.
Talking only.
Yes, it is like speaking. Okay. Speaking is one of the most common ways. Then which is another way of communicating?
Mobile phone.
Okay, that is again, it comes to speaking or talking. So we have like we talk, we write. Okay, you write. Writing is another way of communication. You write letters, you write books, like you're expressing, you're communicating your thoughts, your opinions, everything. Okay, if there is an article in the newspaper, it is a way of communication. Like it is telling you, somebody is telling you his feelings or his opinions or about something. So that is another form. Speaking, writing, then your body language. Okay, if you are looking at someone and you're standing like this, what does it communicate? That somebody is mad at you, angry. Okay, your body language, you're trying to slap someone or you're getting into a fisty fight. Fisty fight. So all these are a way of communicating. You're communicating your anger. Although it's a wrong way of communicating, but you are communicating. Okay. So our body expression, the way our body language is a very big communicating system. We communicate a lot. When we look at someone, we smile. Okay? You smile, you laugh, you run towards someone, you open your arms like, oh, I want to hug you. All these things are communication. So, three most important ways is one is speaking, one is writing, and one is your body language. How you express. Sometimes आप अपने मुंह से कुछ और बोल रहे होते हो और आपकी body language कुछ और बोल रही होती. Okay? That also. Like, You're crying, that's your body language, and you're saying, oh, I'm not hurt. I don't care. Okay? So you are expressing something else through your spoken words, but your body language is speaking something else. You are hurt. That's why you're upset. And children, because you are in grade 8, so I will consider you like, almost big enough to understand these things. If you think, okay, why do we stress on communication? I should have stressed only on spoken English, okay, but I want to stress on communication because I feel in today's time, lot of people, lots and lots of people are going through mental health issues, and that is because they cannot communicate properly. They are unable to. Okay. And that is a big thing. That is a big thing. People do get into trouble and they sometimes get completely messed up because they could not communicate well. So it is very important that we always communicate to the people whom we love or whom we are very close to. You cannot tell everything to everyone, but at least your family and your very close friends. And this way you can save yourself from a lot of suffering. Today we are going to talk about the types of communication. So aggressive, okay? You can be verbally aggressive. May I have everyone's attention? This boy in Socrates last bench, I don't know where you're distracted, beta. Middle row, last bench, you're completely distracted. Okay, I want your attention, everyone. Here. So aggressive. Can anyone tell me what will be an aggressive way of talking? What will be? You have aggression in your voice. What is that? When somebody is trying to talk to you, you answer in a very rude, outspoken manner. Okay, blatant, like completely like you don't care what the other person feels, or you're rude, the other person gets hurt, or is that the way you should talk? So that is like aggression in your voice. Okay, then you have passive. Passive is a person who will hide his or her feelings, and that person will look at which is not a very good thing, because that person will probably never get to voice his or her opinion or viewpoints. Okay. Then there is assertive. Assertive is a good way because you assert yourself. When people are not paying attention to you, you are telling, you're telling them that please, your voice is firm. Whatever you put forth, you want people to listen to your viewpoints. So that is assertive. Okay. Socrates, these two boys, please sit straight. Sit straight, middle row. And both of you come out. Out. Come out. I don't like children who don't take my class seriously. Can you both come out or stand there in your place? Stay there, stay there. I take my work very seriously. Every word I am talking here, I have spent time on it. I just do not go online, pick up few things from the net and come here. No, I prepare. Okay? I take my work absolutely serious. I want you all to take my work absolutely serious. Go and sit. And when I put a question, I want an answer to. I will give you time to chit chat, okay? To talk. Right now I'm talking, please pay attention. Then we have assertive. Assertive way is in which a person will speak very firmly. It assert, it's not that your voice is downed by others. When you are trying to speak, other people don't take you seriously. They just put you on the side, like, okay, like, it's not, and then they talk their own point of view. So nothing is taken seriously. So you have to be assertive. That means you have to be firm, and you have to see to it that people do listen to what you're saying. Next, passive aggressive. This is the most dangerous, I always feel. A person on the outlook will look very quiet and sharp, but inside you're simmering. Okay, you're vengeful. You will take things like, जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना, ये बच्चा बहुत ढीठ है, ये सुनता नहीं है. That is passive aggressiveness. Like, you don't like what others say, but you cannot put forth your viewpoint, so you become passive aggressive. Okay, speak, I don't care. That kind of an attitude. Okay, so here we have these few things which are very important. Please look into this. I want to make you understand what kind of a person are you. What kind of a person are you, and take measures to correct it if you think things are not very good here. So first one, tend to avoid expressing their needs and opinions, often prioritizing the needs of others over their own. Which are the words you do not understand? Please underline them and come to the mic and ask me right away. I don't want to wait. Okay, they may struggle to say no or express their feelings directly. I just gave you all the 4. Who will come and answer my question? Anyone? And any words which you do not understand here? I can see in Plato, I can see your hand raised. Please come forward, beta. In the middle, somewhere here, I could see someone raising a hand, or probably because. Okay, who will come? Militus? Okay, I can see in Socrates, there's a boy who's raised his hand. Now, bache, come. Come. You're sitting in the middle row, last bench. Yes, please come. And please take this seriously, okay? Because this is something very interesting. It's not like your regular syllabus. This is something very interesting. This is about you. This is about your behavior, about you. Yes. Could you please repeat what this was? I'm unable to understand because your voice cracks and breaks.
Tended to avoid
Could you, I want you to read.
tended to
Bolo,
avoid tended to expressing their needs and avoiding often prioritizing the needs of other over their own. They may struggle to say no or express their feelings directly.
Okay, so which word? I'm 100% sure many of you do not know the meaning of prioritizing. Prior means before. Prior means before. Like, prior to this, something happened, prior to the accident, prior. So prioritizing means putting there in front of others. So prioritizing your needs, okay? We can always prioritize our needs. That what is most important has to be done first, then the second, then the third. Okay, so priority list. So prioritizing. Very good, beta. So you tend to avoid expressing. Who are these people? What kind of communication are they using? What? Will you give me the answer? Which one?
Passive.
Very good. Excellent. It is passive. Okay. We really need to work on reading, I think so. And first we will start working on reading. We want the fluency, and then we can start working on the pronunciation. Rather, we will go hand in hand together. Okay. So everybody say prioritize. Prioritizing. Prioritizing. In your mouth, you can say it 10 times and you will be able to say it very correctly. Okay, prioritizing. Opinions. Opinion nahi hota beta, it is opinion. Okay, then you have, like, expressing, tend. इंग्लिश में भी लास्ट वाले वर्ड्स पे बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रेस नहीं होता. ओके, इट्स 10, not tender. We will not do, because that will make it a, like, heavy accented word. So tend to avoid expressing their needs and opinions, often prioritizing the needs of others over their own. Prioritizing means what they need, they are putting that, giving it a back seat and putting something the others want in front. Okay, so that is not always good. Sometimes you can do that, but not always. They may struggle to say no, to express their feelings directly. Okay, कई बार तुम कोई काम नहीं करना चाहते, but you don't say no. We should also learn to say no. We cannot say yes to everything. Use your brain, use your logic. Don't think that makes you selfish. Don't think that. Okay, because when you use your brain and logic and you feel no, this thing is not right, so you can tell the other person why you don't, why you're saying no. You can give a short explanation also. So very good. The first one is passive. How many of you think you belong to this category? How many? None? कोई ऐसा बच्चा है ही नहीं? You never say, you say no directly. You don't put your things, give it a back seat and do other people's work. Okay, amazing. Great. Next one. Who will read this? Who will read this? Next one. Who will read this? Russell, middle row, second bench. I want that girl to come out and read. Middle row, second. Yes, the girl who looked up. Please, Ajawar, come and read and give me the answer. Please, beta.
Tend to dominate conversation, often speaking loudly and forcefully. They may use
Blaming language.
blaming language and try to control others.
Okay, so let me check one thing. It is better conversation. It is not conversation, it is conversation. Everybody make a point of this conversation. Okay, tend to dominate conversation, often speaking loudly. Okay, Vacha, you have to give me the answer too. Come back, little girl. Yes, Russell, the girl who just read, very nice. You read very clearly and very nicely. I just want, which type of communication is this? Which type of communication is this? Okay. Okay. In Russell, I can see a boy who raised his hand on my right, on my left. Aja beta, aja. Come. Yes, beta. This is
aggressive.
Very good. Aggressive. This is aggressive. You're being aggressive. That is your blame game. तुम ऐसे हो, वैसे हो, like, you're blaming other people. Now, if I ask, how many of you think you are into this category? We are normally a mix of a lot. Okay, we cannot compartmentalize. ऐसे compartments नहीं बना सकते कि हम exactly ये हैं कि ये हैं. We can't compartmentalize. Okay, we are a mix of lot of stuff. For different situations, we might act differently. Okay. From Socrates, I have seen a lot of people want to come up. Ajo, one of you come. Both of you come. One of you can read the third, one of you can read the fourth. The boys in the middle row who raise their hands. Second last bench. Ajo. Come. Yes, move faster. You guys take a lot of time. I don't know why. A little quick on your steps.
Interacted, avoided confrontation. They may use sarcasm, backhanded compliments, or silent treatment to express their dissatisfaction.
Okay. This is like indirect and avoid direct confrontation. Confrontation. Okay. Confront means you go and if somebody says wo tere bare mein aisi baat, you go directly to that person and ask, okay, were you talking this about me? So that is like directly confronting someone. So it is called direct confrontation, or talking directly to the person who you think has wronged you. So they will avoid that. They may use sarcasm. Sarcasm hota hai ताने मारना. ताने होते ना, that is sarcasm. Okay, like, and backhanded compliments is, compliment is they will insult you. They are insults which look like compliments. Oh, ये तो top चीज है. Like, so you are not giving that person a compliment. You are actually insulting that person sarcastically. Okay, so these backhanded compliments, you're talking in this manner. Or silent treatment. Silent treatment is you will start avoiding that person, no talking, वो तुमसे कोई भी बात करे, like, silent treatment, and to express their dissatisfaction. So who are these people? Who are these people?
Assertive.
They are
Assertive.
no, bache, they are not. They are passive aggressive. They are passive. Passive. वो सीधा जाके झगड़ा नहीं करेंगे, वो सीधा आपसे तू मैं नहीं करेंगे, वो सीधा जाके आपसे कोई भी बात का जवाब नहीं मांगेंगे, but they will give you in a different manner. They will insult you, they will give you silent treatment, they will show that they are not happy. This is passive aggressive. Okay, which is many people are like that, and this is a very bad trait also. Okay, and so many people, if you don't want to share what kind of person you are, like, you can be more of someone and less of someone, but we are always a mix of everything, and we will deal in different situations in different manners. Okay, but एक हमारा dominant trait होता है, like, that dominates us. So mostly 90% of the time we will be reacting, or we will respond in that manner. That is what we are actually. Okay. Last one. Who will come out and read? Who will come out and read? Okay. Plato, I can see a girl who has raised her hand. Do come out, beta. Aaja, fast. This is, these things are know yourself. No. The only problem with most of us is we are not self-aware. हम अपनी okay? Yes. Okay. Yes.
Express their needs and opinions clearly and directly while respecting the rights of others. They are able to say no when necessary and stand up for themselves without being aggressive.
Very well. Very well. Yeah, this is exactly who we are, most of us. Assertive. We are assertive. These people are assertive. I want you to read this at least for the next 2 days, at least twice, so that you understand what these are not mere words. ये सिर्फ words नहीं है. इनको go read it and you will understand it. You read it and you will understand. Today I came across such a beautiful little paragraph, which I'm definitely going to share with you when you come back from your exams, okay? Because I want you people to understand something. Very beautiful thing. So here. Now, anyone who would like to say that he or she is assertive in nature? I am definitely assertive. I am assertive. Okay. I can never be aggressive. I can never be passive. I am assertive, but probably a couple of times I am passive aggressive too. Okay, but depends on the situation. But 95% of the time I'm assertive. How are you? Who knows? Who can tell me? Nobody wants to tell? That's very sad. Okay. Now let's go to the page, go to page 2. And this is a very simple yes or no questionnaire, but at the same time, very important. Very important to see what we are. Okay? कई बार हमें चीजें right पता होती हैं, but still we don't do it. Okay? We get carried away. कभी हमारे पर peer pressure होता है, friends का pressure, कभी like, some other kind of thing overpowers us and we do get into the wrong kind of speaking, wrong kind of behavior. Probably we know it's wrong. So I give you like 2-3 minutes to complete this and then we can start discussion. Okay, so can we start? Can we start? Okay. Avoid shouting at people who disagree with you. Is it a yes or a no? Who will come and answer me? Plato, from the house of Plato. Yes, that girl at the back. Please come. Come forward. All the 3 girls who raise their hand, 4 girls, all of you can come. All of you can come. Avoid shouting at people who disagree with you.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, you should not. You should not. You should not give us this power to control your emotions. Speak clearly and get straight to the point.
Yes.
Very good. Okay. One by one, can answer this question. Think carefully before speaking.
Yes.
Very good. Use body language to express your feelings.
No.
No? Okay.
Yes.
Yes. We yes. Sometimes we use like listen to the person you are talking to.
Yes.
Very important. Very, very important. Because most of us are poor listeners. We don't listen to anything. Okay? कोई अपनी बात बता रहा होता है हम उसको बीच में ही काट देते हैं. Okay. Solve problems with a cool head.
Yes.
Be firm but still polite.
Yes.
Ask questions if there is something you don't understand.
Yes.
Avoid talking to people who upset you.
Yes.
Don't interrupt when someone else is talking.
Yes.
Don't just say what you think they want to hear.
I'm
Don't,
not sure.
yes,
According to me, yes.
yes. You don't have to say what the other person wants to hear. Okay? If your friend is asking for advice and you're giving advice, but what he wants, you think that is wrong. So you can tell him directly. You don't have to say, "अच्छा जो तुम्हें ठीक लगता है वही ठीक है." Okay, नहीं, you were right. Or like, if you think the other person is wrong, you can, as a good friend, you can. Focus on communication by avoiding distractions.
Yes.
So mostly all is yes. Okay, good. Now today we are going to play a small game. Thank you, child. You did it well. And I'm sure most of you had the similar answers. If your answers differ, do come and explain where did you differ and why. Could you please come? If your answers were different. Okay. Now see, I have put some words here. Normally, this is a game I have always played with my students. Okay. And this game is introduce yourself in one word. Just one word. Okay. So my name is Tejinder. Okay. My name is Tejinder. So whenever somebody tells me, who are you? Or in one word, I say, I am truthful Tejinder. Okay. Today I have put words only with A. So normally, like with whatever is the first letter of your name, you have to find an adjective for yourself and tell. If you are like C, your name starts with C, you can say, I'm confident. Okay. Charanjit. I am truthful Tejinder. If you have like, your name starts with A, you can say I'm adventurous. Like, whatever your name is, something like that. So I have just put today with A. I want you to know who you are. Are you anything of this? I know this is a new word. You know what is adventurous? A person who likes to explore. Like, it's not, adventure does not mean that तुम पहाड़ों पे ही चढ़ रहे हो, or no. In life also, adventure means like you are ready for exploring. Okay, you have a wide open spectrum and you go and like, you enjoy different things, not the regular things, and you're ready to explore. Affectionate. Everybody knows affectionate means a person who's loving and caring. Ambitious. Ambitious means you have goals, you have places you have decided for yourself that you will reach. Okay, your ambition. Amiable means very friendly, polite, nice person. Amiable person is friendly. Then articulate, well spoken. You can express your ideas very well. Okay, in few words, and you're well spoken, you're articulate. Okay, next is artistic. People are artistic, very creative. You can like, make things, you have ideas, you can do like not only artwork, but in other ways also. Okay. Then analytical. Analytical is a person who will take a problem, usko break down karoge into smaller parts, and then you will see how you can find solutions. Analyze the situation. अब जैसे पंजाब में flood situation आई थी. Okay. So Punjabis are very analytical. They understood what was the need of the hour. That is why that one person, he started making boats because he knew that we need boats. Okay. People knew what is the requirement. So they broke down the problems into smaller sections, thought about it and found solutions instead of like, crying and ranting and raving and being upset. Obviously they were upset, I'm not saying, but they still put it on the side and started working on the problem. So that is analyzing, analytical. Altruistic. Altruistic is a person who is concerned about the well-being of others. Okay, like you're also, not only thinking about yourself, that would be self-centered. You're thinking about the well-being of others. कि किसी और को भी नुकसान ना हो. So I want you to tell me, who are you? Who will tell me? Just choose one word for yourself here. Militus, middle row, first bench. Can you tell me your name and your who you are out of these words? This is not something difficult. This is something very easy. I thought you would all love it. Who are you? Russell, yes. Fast, fast. All the girls who are sitting at the back. All the girls, you can come and you can pick one word and tell about yourself, which you think. You can even repeat it. If you two girls think they are adventurous, they can say, I'm adventurous and your name. That's it. Nothing more. And then you have to go. Aajao. Militus, all the girls who are sitting on my right. Sare aajao, all 8 of you. 6 of you. 6 or 8. Sare aajao beta. Fatafat. Come. Yes, what happened? This is an ice-breaking activity and you're not ready to break the ice. Okay, quickly. One of you can start. You just have to pick one word. Like I said, I am truthful Tejinder, or I can say I'm adventurous Tejinder. Adventurous Tejinder. That's it. You don't even have to say I am. Adventurous Tejinder. You can say whatever you like. That one word is going to give away your personality trait, one of a very big personality trait. Okay. These girls from Militus speak. Otherwise, there are a lot of girls from Plato who want to give this answer. I'm going to call them. Yes, Militus. Could you please speak? Okay. Go back if you don't want to speak. I'll call from Plato. Plato, please come. All the girls who wanted to speak. Aajo, sare aajo. Aajo, very good. Come. Many more can join, even the boys.
From E, there is elegant means very beautiful or pretty.
Yes. Hey, you are elegant. You can choose. I'm just giving you these words. You can use many more, like, whichever you want. From this list, you can choose a word, or whichever you like, you already know. So this little girl, she said she is elegant.
Excellent. Excellent.
Okay, you're excellent. Very good. She thinks she's excellent. Okay, that's a very good trait. Very good. Next girl. Yes, beta. Next girl. Who are you? You can choose any adjective for you. You can choose confident, you can choose smiling, you can choose happy. I am happy this, you can choose whatever you want. Just one word, one adjective to describe yourself. Hardworking, humble, okay, happy, even confused. Okay, I can see hands raised in Plato. There's a boy who raised hand. Aajo bachche. I thought this would be such a fun. If everybody would have come here, it would have been such a fun activity. Karl Marx, anyone who wants to come here and say who you are? Yes. Aajo beta, Karl Marx, you also come.
Confident.
You are?
Confident.
Very good. Confident. And your name also, beta. Confident and your name.
Rupam.
Confident Rupam. We have confident Rupam. Yes, very good. Anybody else? That's a disappointment. Yes, girls, boys, anybody from Tolstoy who wants to come out? What is difficult in it? Tell me. You just have to think of one word in front of your name and put it in. She just said confident Rupam. That's it. You know so many words in English. And I have given you a list of words just for in case you think you are one of them. You can come here and put. That's a big disappointment. Okay. Nobody's ambitious here. How many of you are ambitious? Raise your hand. I think so. We all are very ambitious people. Nobody? Okay, I can just see one hand raised. Okay. Bold. How many of you are bold? Very bold people. Brilliant. Caring. Yes. Okay. Charismatic. Charitable. Charity is in our blood. Charming. Cheerful. Compassionate. कितने words हैं? Who are you? एक word ढूंढ के रखना. In my next class, I'm definitely going to start from here, and at least I want like 100 children to come here and tell me what they are. Okay? Considerate, courageous, courteous, humble, creative, determined, diligent means hardworking, dynamic, eloquent, well spoken, empathetic. Empathy means when you feel for others, when they are going through something. Empowering. Okay. When you be with people, you empower them. Endearing. So all these words are there. You could have done an amazing class today. I'm sorry we could not. Okay. I think so it's time and we have to stop the class. So thank you very much. Don't think these are just words. Please go through this at least in the next 2 days, at least once, and understand the deeper meaning. It is going to change your personality. It is going to give you some insight. Okay. Thank you very much. I would have really enjoyed a more vibrant class and a more participative class. Next time, I'm very hopeful we will do that. So have a good day. Enjoy yourself. Stay happy. All the very best for your upcoming exams. Do well and come back happy. Okay, thank you.